Understanding hovering helicopter in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might have heard, hovering helicopter. It's a metaphorical expression that's widely used in English, especially in contexts involving parenting and management. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Stay tuned as we break down this intriguing phrase for you. The term, hovering helicopter, is often used to describe someone who is overly involved or excessively attentive to the activities and problems of others, particularly in a way that limits independence or freedom. The phrase is most commonly associated with helicopter parenting, where parents closely monitor and involve themselves in every aspect of their children's lives, from schoolwork to social interactions. The metaphor of a helicopter hovering closely above the ground captures the essence of someone who is always nearby, ready to intervene at the slightest sign of trouble. This phrase likely emerged in the late 20th century, reflecting societal concerns about overprotective behaviors and their impact on children's development. It vividly illustrates the idea of an individual who stays unnecessarily close, to the point of being overbearing. To better understand hovering helicopter, let's look at some examples. In parenting, a parent who constantly checks in with their child at a playdate, unable to let them enjoy time independently, is acting like a hovering helicopter. In management, a manager who micromanages their team, not allowing employees to make decisions or take initiative, can be described as a hovering helicopter in the workplace. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various scenarios, highlighting its versatility and relevance. When using hovering helicopter, it's important to understand its connotation. It's generally used in a negative context, suggesting that the behavior is unwelcome or excessive. You can use it in sentences like, "I appreciate your help, but I feel like you're being a bit of a hovering helicopter." Try not to be a hovering helicopter. It's important for them to learn on their own. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of hovering helicopter. Remember, it's a powerful expression that can vividly convey the idea of over-involvement and the need for independence. Use it wisely, and you'll add a valuable phrase to your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.